Hello and welcome. Today we are going to start something new, and let me run this. Now we have this data here. Today I want you to make sure inside this data there is another set of data. So we had this data, and we have this CSV. But today I want us to get the real folder into this. So how do you get that? In the downloads, I have downloaded data from a company, which is this one. So you can just come here and just copy it, and after you have copied it, you can come open here and go to users, and inside channel folder you can see data, and when you open the data you can come here and paste, and you see it is there. So when you go back to here you can refresh this, and see now the logo are not book as cap. When you open it you can see inside it there is a data set, and there is this assets and data, and now we have logo. Lengo, this is a company. So things that we are going to be doing here, we are going to be using this data like colors, how they bring us the colors. You can see there is very many colors here. So we shall be can also go and check about sets, and you can see num set and which year, when it started, the company, and what was the first sale, and then we have the themes. You can see you have the themes here, and yes, so we have this folder having all that, and also we can also go back while here and we can come here and open it again and see data. That also we have seen. And go back data, open it, assets. You can see we have some images. So we are actually going to, these are images and these are bricks images. So we are going to do much more in this lesson. So because this is a very new lesson, I want to share okay, I want to share this into our WhatsApp. I want to share this data this file. Where is that file? This file here. I want to share it in to the WhatsApp, and we are going to use this. We are going to use this in this entire section. So this is the data that we are going to use. So next time, before we meet next time, make sure you have incorporated this into your Jupyter notebook. So let me go off the screen, and then I will share it. And after sharing it, then you will bring it to the Jupyter notebook as the way we have done it, and then you'll be ready to start this journey of the series. So let's meet next time.